Being female in this industry is very intimidating at first, but it is proven that there are a lot of opportunities that present themselves, especially just by coming to the school. My name is Maya. I'm a junior at Essex Tech, and I'm in advanced manufacturing. When I first started, it was just so new. I was very anxious because I was like, there is no way I'm going to be able to learn all of this. But now my mind is just so open to everything that there is out there. And now that I know more, I'm more confident coming into the shop and working every day. When you go into the store and you see certain products, sometimes you wonder how they're made, and this is how they're made. This is behind the scenes. These are the machines and the people that work every day to produce these things. There's a lot of math involved as well, which I really loved, but I could also use my hands, which is originally why I came to the school. It wasn't always book work and, the same tests every single day. And I just fell in love with it. I fell in love with every aspect of it. You learn a lot, and it's just a great experience. It proves that anyone can do this job.